Hey everyone, and welcome to our chapter on assignment operators. This is a pretty straightforward chapter, so we're just going to learn from exercises. The first and most basic assignment operator is the equal sign. What that means is x is now equal to whatever value we put after the equal sign. The second one that we have is the plus equal sign. What this one means is take the value that's currently inside x and add onto it the value 5. Now, this is instead of saying x is equal to x plus 5. Now, we could also go ahead and simply change it, or simply write x equals multiplication equals 5, which would mean that we are taking the value within x and we're multiplying it by 5. Now, we could do the same thing for minus, and we could do the same thing for division. Really, all of them work, and that's it. That's assignment operators for you.